got appetizers,
Oh.
Thanksgiving Day food,
Ooh.
and cereals.
Ooh. Cereals.
Ooh.
You like appetizers is the best.
I
best
like some
route to go.
appetizers.
Yeah.
You agree?
I'm fine with appetizers.
Appetizers.
Appetizers. Let's go. All right. What you got?
Ooh, that's tough. I don't know. I don't really get appetizers a lot, so I can't think of it.
All right.
Yeah, we'll come back.
Do
to
you got one, Barrett?
I gotta go with flour chips.
Flour chips. Like, what do you mean by that? Like
So
tortilla,
when-
like tortilla flour?
Yes.
So
That.
like chips and salsa,
Yeah.
but specifically flour.
Corn chips are good, but I gotta prefer flour chips over those.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Pretty
Nice.
solid.
solid. Yeah. You?
Well, I guess if I gotta go, I'm gonna choose mozzarella sticks.
Ooh.
I hate mozzarella
Ooh.
sticks.
Where do you get mozzarella sticks as appetizers?
So many places.
I've never seen that as an
Mozzarella
option.
sticks have always been appetizers.
I've never
Yeah.
seen it
They're
as
like
an
an
option
appetizer
before.
food. What? That's like the whole.
Yeah,
I've
they're
never-
always on the sides.
I've never seen it before.
You must be blind.
I only see it at like Walmart where you just like get a bag of it. That's about it.
Whoa, a bag of mozzarella.
What?
Yeah, you can.
Yeah, I guess. Yeah. Me, number one top pick, fried pickles. I love fried pickles.
Okay, yeah.
That was not the response I was wanting.
Like-
Fried pickles are the best thing ever to exist in the world.
I mean-
I don't know about the best.
Pickles on their own, yeah.
Pickles on their own? Horrid. Absolutely disgusting.
No.
Should be burned.
What?
No.
What's
Fried
wrong
pickles?
with you?
Pickles
don't
are
know.
good.
Fried pickles are
probably
the
worse.
best thing ever.
Nah.
Yeah, okay, I could see that.
I think I'm right. Fried pickles.
I think you're left.
Going all the way. Yes, I'm left. Have you thought of one yet?
I think so. Like, I don't know if this would be... yeah, this might be considered an appetizer. It's Little Smokies. Like, little hot dogs. And, they're so
Oh, okay, yeah, those are pretty
good. Those
good.
are really, really good.
Now, like just plain or like with like barbecue sauce?
Honestly, I think plain is good, but with sauce it is really good too.
Okay.
So either way, it's
Either way,
really
so
good.
plain or sauce. Little
Yeah, yeah,
Smokies.
yeah.
Right. What you got, Barrett?
You know, there's like one appetizer at Meddy's that they usually get. It's like that bread and then like special.
Oh, like pita bread?
yeah,
Yeah.
Mm.
that's pretty good.
Pita bread, yeah.
Yeah, pita bread's good.
I have no idea what that is.
It's like-
For real.
It's like a thin.
It's like a flatbread.
It's like
Yeah.
a flatbread. It's like thin pieces, and it's got like space in between the thin pieces, and it's hard to explain. It's usually in like a triangle shape. It's pretty good.
And then you
usually
dip
dip it in like hummus or something.
Mm-hmm. It's good.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just as I don't care.
Okay.
Um.
Do you have anything else?
Yeah, have y'all ever had calamari?
Calamari.
No, I had calamari.
Describe it.
It's like, I'm pretty sure it's like squid or something.
Yeah, that's good.
No,
It's
I've
like-
never had
I've
that.
not had
I'm
that.
not
Never
so
have.
sure about that.
I don't know. I know it's an appetizer some places, and I think it's pretty good.
I've never had calamari, so
Like, I
can't.
don't know. Seafood, yeah, I don't know. Squid just seems...
It could be something
I don't know.
else.
It
I
pro-
could just be like stupid, but
Yeah, I could see that.
Dang it, I had one.
You can see.
Oh, specifically the Mexican rice at Jalisco's. It has to be at Jalisco's.
Oh, that is really good.
What is wrong with you, Barrett?
That is amazing.
As an appetizer.
It is an
Yeah.
appetizer. It's
Yeah.
on the side.
so
Yeah.
Look, there's a difference between an appetizer and a side dish. Appetizers are before the main meal, while a side dish complements the main meal.
Okay, but you could get it as an appetizer.
could,
That would
yeah.
be like not a good appetizer.
Yes, it would. Rice is the best appetizer,
Yes.
especially Jalisco's Mexican rice.
It is insanely good.
Oh no.
I mean, if we're doing side dishes, I would not think that's a bad choice. But I don't know.
Side
about
dish,
an
not a bad
appetizer.
choice. Just like an appetizer on its own.
I don't know if
eh.
I'd want rice for an appetizer.
I don't think I would.
I don't know.
You guys are wrong.
Yeah. Yeah.
You guys are left. Left, I say.
Okay. I don't know like how well known this is, but it's something my family's always made. It's called spinach artichoke dip. It's like Velveeta cheese with spinach and then like artichoke hearts, and you use it with tortilla chips, and it is. I really love it. It's
Okay. Yeah.
yeah.
I think I've like seen it, but I don't
Yeah.
think I've ever actually tried it.
It's good. We usually only make it for like special occasions like Super Bowl or New Year's, but it's really good.
Yo, we gotta go simple. French fries.
French fries. Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah.
French fries, like you can have like your chili fries. Have you
Yeah, I
ever had
know
those?
that
like
was,
those before?
chili
that was
fries
like
are pretty good.
my
appetizers?
choice. Now I gotta think again.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah. Now, what are you dipping your fries in, or nothing at all?
You could get like cheese sauce, ketchup.
Okay.
Yeah.
Have you ever dipped your fries in barbecue sauce?
No, I've dipped it in ice cream before. That's good.
I every time people do that, I feel like it ruins the fry.
Nah,
Makes
I mean,
it-
I've done it with like a
it's-
chocolate
It enhances
shake.
the fry.
Like
I
the
know.
chocolate shake is not that bad.
I recommend-
salty and sweet together. You can have them separate.
I
back to
recommend
back, but-
I recommend vanilla for like just simple fries.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, that's better. Like, I saw somebody dip like fries in a strawberry frosty at Wendy's, and it was horrendous. It was absolutely horrendous.
Okay, I don't know about strawberry, but I feel like vanilla's the best you could do. Chocolate you could get away with, but strawberry, I just the salty and the fruity.
Yeah. No.
I just
Yeah, I agree.
I don't
yeah.
know if I would work.
All right, what's your
Oh, yeah.
appetizer?
I believe we're on our third. Yeah, third.
Yeah. I mean, I don't know if this could be like a main meal at some places, but I know for others it's an appetizer. So I'm gonna go with like bone out wings.
Oh.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. See, Mr. Vogel agrees.
You got it.
So
You
it
got
must
his.
be a good one.
You got his approval.
Yeah. What sauce though, or dry rub?
No, I definitely gotta get sauce. Probably
Sauce,
honey
okay.
barbecue.
Yep. Okay, that's
Okay,
my
yeah,
pick.
yeah, that's good.
Any place that has like bone out wings, I have to get honey barbecue every time. It's, love it. Now, what place though?
Ooh. I mean, I've only had them from a couple places, but I don't know. I'm mostly just thinking of like Pizza Hut and Applebee's because that's where I get them at the most.
Yeah.
But
I had some bone out wings at Old Chicago. Oh, it was so good. Oh, it was so good. I had my third pick. Oh, I remember it now. Chili's corn on the cob.
corn on the cob, interesting.
Because it's got the best spices on it. Not because it's corn on the cob. It's just the spices and the butter. Does absolutely everything for the corn on the cob. Yo,
He's just thinking over there.
I'm thinking because I don't like these responses I'm getting. I feel like
I'll be honest. Like a simple corn on the cob, I'd love it.
Yeah.
I'd never had one from Chili's though.
Yeah,
They
neither
were
have
really
I.
good.
Never had.
they were really good. You?
I like a good queso dip.
Queso dip.
I love queso.
Mr. Vogel's been waiting for some of these. He's just. Queso dip, yeah, that's a classic.
Yeah.
So, you
I could pull out another classic like just bread and butter.
bread and butter, yeah.
Yeah.
Do you have any specific like places that have really good bread and butter?
Texas Roadhouse.
Okay.
That
yeah,
is a
Texas
good
Roadhouse
place
is
for
pretty
bread
good.
and butter.
That's good.
I know it's basically closed everywhere now, but Logan's had the best rolls. The bread and butter at Logan's. That was the best. Do you know your last pick?
I'm thinking. I feel like shrimp could be a good one.
Oh yeah, like
Yeah.
Like-
cocktail shrimp. Yeah,
Yeah.
with the.
With like the marinara sauce.
What do you mean by that, Barrett?
I'm not a big shrimp guy.
That's fair.
Yeah.
A lot of people don't like fish for some reason.
Yeah.
Oh, I can't think of a last one. Garlic bread.
Ooh.
Could have at least
Garlic
gone with
bread.
cheese garlic, like the cheesy garlic.
No, you
Mm.
put cheese in there, you ruin it.
Nah, bruh. Cheesy
It-
garlic
it
bread
could
smacks. I don't know what
work.
you're talking about.
You just got it, because you're going to have the cheese somewhere else, but not on the garlic bread. The garlic bread stands on its own.
Yeah.
You can't taint it with cheese.
Yes, you can.
No, you can't.
I beg to disagree.
I think I just gotta stick with the normal bread and butter on that one.
Fair, fair.
Nah, that's the worst out of the three options.
Nah.
I'm gonna keep it real with you, bro.
No, I mean garlic bread can be good, but
Yeah. I gotta go the breadsticks from Olive Garden.
Oh.
It was.
Yes.
I cannot believe I didn't think that earlier. They are. Amazing.
I like how none of us said like salads or anything.
who
We
gets
didn't-
those as appetizers?
Okay, but salad at Olive
No
Garden.
one does.
Oh, yes.
No
Olive
one
Garden
does.
is-
Yeah,
No,
but like,
stop lying to
nah.
yourself.
Oh, I could have gone with soup.
If you're
I
going
didn't
to
even
Olive-
think of that.
If you're going to Olive Garden, you're getting breadsticks. You can't lie to yourself.
Nah, I'm not a big fan of breadsticks.
But you don't
so-
touch it.
I always eat the salad.
Yeah.
I mean, obviously you take the
Nah.
olives and the tomatoes out.
Yes.
because
What?
No, yes.
I pick
No,
out the
no.
olives and just eat those, bruh. I don't eat anything
I mean, I
else
guess
in
that's
Olive
Olive
Garden
Garden,
salad.
Have we all gotten 4 in?
I think we have had our foreign. So you had
flour
chips.
Flour, we had that one from Meddy's. We had French fries with any kind of dipping, and
And
then bread and butter.
Bread and butter. A lot of carbs.
I was gonna say, so basically all carbs.
Honestly, if you really think about it, lots of appetizers, just nothing but carbs.
That is fair. Yeah. I mean, carbs don't like really fill you up. They kind of just like make you more.
They
hungry.
exist.
Exactly. What was your Fortavian?
Mozzarella sticks, calamari, boneless wings, and then shrimp.
All right. A lot of seafood.
Yeah,
Two
I'll
of
see.
them,
Yeah.
yeah.
I'll see.
I had fried pickles, which none of you liked. I'm forgetting my second one. Any of you guys remember? Rice, that's
Rice,
right.
yeah.
Mexican rice from Jalisco's. And then I had corn on the cob and garlic bread. Well, corn on the cob specifically from Chili's. It's
Also
the
a
best.
lot of grains.
Yes.
Yeah. I got Little Smokies, the spinach artichoke dip, the queso dip, and the breadsticks from Olive Garden.
Yeah. Solid choices. Now, who won, though?
Ooh.
Why don't we have
I
Mr.
feel like
Vogel
out of,
decide?
Out of
Mr.
like
Vogel.
most neutral, out of like anybody would like, I feel like Barrett would win, because I can't think of an answer that nobody would be like, I hate bread.
Yeah.
So
Nah, I low-key don't really mess with the bread. Like,
Nah, now you're just saying that, and you were just
Nah,
over here bragging
bruh.
about garlic
But
bread.
Yeah, I prefer garlic bread, but that's not normal bread.
Yeah,
If there's just
it's
bread and butter, if
It
there's
has
bread and
bread
butter,
in
I
the
don't
name.
eat it. I don't eat it if it's bread and butter.
I would choose Barrett's option if it had cheese.
Yeah, it'd be so much better. But I don't like. Then it'd just be a grilled cheese, though. That's not really an appetizer.
Hey, you can't go wrong with grilled cheese.
Yeah, grilled cheese is good.
I feel like nobody's gonna choose mine because you guys hate corn on the cob and fried pickles.
Corn on the cob,
'cause
pretty
you
good.
guys are
Pickles,
left.
disgrace to humanity.
Okay, no. Pickles are good. Fried pickles, I'm not so sure about. Pickles are good.
So he had Little Smokies, artichoke, and
Whose was the most diverse?
most diverse. Not yours.
Not yours.
Um,
I would say Tavian's was most diverse.
Two
Like
things.
calamari,
Two things
two
of
seafoods,
seafood,
and
a
then the other
dairy, and then a meat.
That is true. So
Yeah.
diversity-wise,
Tavian.
Tavian wins, but like out of like most
Overall.
neutral, Barrett wins, and the honorary Vogel Award goes to Caleb.
Yeah.
And then I'm just out here.
Yeah.
You do your own thing, buddy. Have fun.
Somebody has to be last place.
Exactly.
Yeah, exactly. You're welcome. Taking
Alright,
one for the
Caleb.
team.
What are the other options?
Okay, well, the other options are Thanksgiving Day food and cereals.